always refer to your installation instructions, as it is the primary source of information regarding your appliance.
Today we're going to talk to you about how to properly put your turntable into the microwave. This is called the hub. And surrounding the hub you're going to put support rollers, and you're just going to set it right inside. Make sure that it is in the groove that goes around the hub. This is the disc, this is the turntable itself. Now you see these three raised pieces of glass. Those are going to go right over the hub. Make sure when you place it over the hub that it rests right in those grooves. Now if it's not, you're going to get a wobbly effect and it will not turn properly. So make sure that those are right inside the grooves of your hub and you're all set.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.